Hi everyone, you're welcome to MyProfessorNote. This is Bhupesh Sharma, and here in this video we are talking about the strategy to qualify a UGC NET examination which will help the working professionals, right? So here I want you to focus on the last 6 units, not on these first four, because here in the first four the syllabus is very vast, right? And here in these last 6 units you have a limited syllabus that you need to cover from this exam perspective. Here, except this English in India or this research material, right, you will find that both of some of the questions you will get covered in your paper one. In your research material and method in English, most of the questions come from the research method that you do in your paper first. And in English in India you will find most of the question from the higher education. Okay, then we have these linguistics, culture studies, literary theory, and literary criticism. Here you have to do just this thing: get the meaning of your theory, that what does that theory mean, for example in the linguistics. And this method will be applied to all these four concepts: your linguistics, your culture studies, your literary theory, and literary criticism. Your main theorist, right, their works and the terms which they have propounded in those terms. You just have to get the explanations of these terms, that what those term means, in which of the work they have propounded those terms, and the main theorist and the meaning of that theory. For example, you're doing the structuralism, right? Your structuralism you are doing. So structuralism, what does structuralism mean? What are the main figures? What are their main works? And what are the main terms which they have propounded? So every single day you're going to devote 2 hours, only 2 hours every single day for next 4 months. If you devote every single day, you will get your concept clear within this given time, that I can guarantee you, right? And now let's talk about these first 4 units, right? Your questions are equally divided. It's not that only from this your British literature the 50% of the concept is coming. No, your 10% of the questions are equally divided in all these units. In the first 4 units you have the 40 questions, and you can split it between 20. The first 20 is from British literature, and the next 20 is from African American, your Russian, your German, your French, your Italian, your Indian, right? And in the first one, this British literature, minor writers are asked. Their minor works are asked. But here in the last 20, which is from the world literature, main writer, most famous writers, their most famous works are asked, like your Albert Camus, Leo Tolstoy, your Dostoevsky, your Franz Kafka. These are the few names. Okay. Now, how to cover this very vast subject? You can refer to my notes. You can revise them, follow the strategy which I will follow with you, right? And revise. Okay. Or you can refer to the books which I have mentioned in my earlier video. I will give its link below in the description box, so you can check them too. But I would say here, beside this, you do one thing: you solve as many as MCQs you can, right? MCQs, as many as MCQs you can solve for these first 4 units, because here syllabus is really vast. You do not know that which writer, which work will be asked here. So it's better to refer to your guidebooks here for these MCQs, right? And to clear your other concept, you can refer to my notes, or you can find those one by one on Google and write their notes down. But if every single day for 2 hours, if you cover these last 6 units, from where the 60 questions, 60% of the questions are coming from here only, you will have your net. That is my guarantee to you. All right. So this is how you will do it. The first 4 unit, MCQs only. The last 6 units, every single day, one concept you will plan and devote 2 hours to it, right? Net will be yours. Best of luck. So make sure you like the video, share it with other people, and subscribe to the channel. I will come with another video very soon. Till then time, my Professor Note signing off.